Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know where to look, but welcome to my channel and welcome back to my bedroom. Anytime I am in my bedroom, it's because we're talking something skincare, hygiene, or anything that's more like beauty related in the sense that it's not makeup. You know what I mean? Anyways, today I wanted to talk about oral hygiene and dental hygiene because let me tell you that I have gone through a lot with my teeth, and I wanted to also share my journey that I went through with bites, which was 2 years ago. And I will be showing you guys some before and after of how, why, and all that stuff of fixing my teeth, and just sharing like my favorite tips, maybe tricks, and my favorite hygiene products to keep my teeth pearly whites, keep them clean, and keep my teeth, most importantly, healthy. So, with that said, grab your cafecito, even though I know coffee stains your teeth, but all in moderation, okay? Grab your cafecito, grab some water, and let's jump right into it. I was trying to clip on this little mic, but I couldn't figure it out. And being a mom, you're in a hurry to literally do everything. I have to get dinner started in a little bit. So, you know what? I'm just going to hold it. Hopefully, it's not too annoying, but let's get started. So, let me start off with showing you the products that I personally love and use mornings and nights as my oral hygiene. First things first is toothbrush. To me, I feel like this toothbrush has made the biggest impact in my teeth in keeping away the plaque, keeping my teeth yellow, and also reducing cavities. This one I bought it from my local dental office. This is the Oral-B IO toothbrush, which looks like this. As you can see, like mine, the little bristles are looking pretty dim, and that's when it is time to switch your toothbrush head. So I like to switch mine once I see like no color on the toothbrush head at all. And this has literally, guys, changed so much my dental hygiene. Like, ever since I went on this like healthy teeth journey, just getting the smile of my dreams, fixing my teeth, I took my oral hygiene so much more serious, and ever since I switched to this, it has been a game changer. It has different settings. When you turn it on, it's pretty loud. But what I love about this is that the light turns on, as you can see. And I mean, I don't know if it'll show it now, but it will show you if you're scrubbing or brushing your teeth too hard. The light around here will be red, and if it's green, it means that you are doing a great job. You can also connect this to your phone and download the app, and it actually guides you and it tells you how long you should be brushing your teeth. It has a timer on here, so you know that you're making sure that you're brushing your teeth at least 2 minutes, which is, it becomes very easy once you have this specific toothbrush. You can also scrape your tongue. You can do a little bit of like gum care. I don't really use it for that. I specifically use it just for my teeth. So, love this. I know it's a little bit expensive. It's like maybe like $130, so quite pricey, but it's an investment, and your teeth are literally everything, and I've learned that the hard way. So, love to use this. I don't use this specific mode for the tongue scraping because I discovered these little tongue scrapers months ago, and I've never looked back. I always used to use the plastic ones, but I noticed that they would get really gunky, really nasty, really quick, and so I switched to these steel ones. And honestly, you can find these at like your local TJ Maxx, your local Target. These are so amazing. If you have a bad breath and it's not a gut problem, it is more than likely your tongue. If your tongue looks white, if your tongue looks thick, it's because you're not scraping your tongue, and your toothbrush is not going to get rid of that. Think of your tongue as a rug where it literally holds everything, all the bacteria, all the germs, all the food, all the drinks that you've had. It's going to keep it on there. And if you're not scraping your tongue, you're going to have bad breath. And that is one of my biggest like fears, I guess, is having bad breath. I went through a phase when I was pregnant with Lincoln that I felt like I had really bad breath constantly, and I felt like I was always thirsty, so I felt like maybe that led to me having really bad breath. And that's when I started going through like my healthy teeth journey, and I have never looked back, guys. So these are little stainless steel, I want to call them, tongue scrapers. After you brush your teeth, you want to go in and literally scrape and scrape and scrape. Obviously, be gentle. You don't want to like hurt your tongue, but these are going to be the best things ever for your tongue. Trust me, if you are embarrassed, if you have bad breath, after you use this, you're not going to have a bad breath anymore. I always make sure that I rinse it because if not, it can get gunked up here on the sides. Yuck. Yeah, I know. But just make sure you clean it. I like to kind of like sterilize it, if you will, with my mouthwash, which leads me to my mouthwash. So, for my mouthwash, this is the one that I'm currently using, the Crest Pro Health Intense Clean Mint mouthwash. I don't know that this is my favorite. I'm still on the hunt for like my favorite mouthwash. I was using, I forgot what it's called, but they come in different cute colors. They come in green, pink, and blue. I think that one is my favorite toothbrush, but if I'm honest with you guys, it's a little bit pricey and I go through mouthwash very quickly because both me and my husband use it. So I opted for something a little bit more affordable and these last me forever. Now I'm bougie, okay? Don't judge me because girl, you're bougie too. I use this little mouthwash little holder that I bought from Amazon. It's just cute. It's aesthetically pleasing and it's just so easy to dispense. These technically are to dispense like syrups or like coffee drinks, things like that. But I bought it and I was like, you know what? I'm going to use it as a replacement for my mouthwash. So I keep it in a little tray, and literally all you have to do is use a little shot. I'm sure you have a shot glass somewhere in your house, okay? Don't lie. I use this and I fill it up just, I don't know, maybe a fourth, a third of the way. I don't know. And just take a shot and swish it around my mouth for at least a minute. I'm sure I don't hold it in for a minute because it can get pretty spicy. Now, for my toothpaste, I think these are the ones that I have used the most constantly throughout the years, and they're both by the brand Colgate. My husband doesn't like Crest, so we've always just kind of like stuck with Colgate. This one is my personal favorite. If you suffer with plaque a lot, or if you suffer, yeah, just from plaque buildup, then please get this one because I have noticed that it reduces my plaque so much and it also keeps my teeth pearly white. So this is the Colgate Plaque Pro Release Whitening Paste, which is this one. I get mine auto shipped from Amazon and it is so nice to just have it, delivered at my house. I don't have to worry about picking up toothpaste and it lasts me quite some time. I think I get about 2 tubes a month and it lasts me a month because again, obviously me and my husband both use it, and I even keep one in my upstairs bathroom whenever I'm filming, and if I don't want to come downstairs, I just keep an extra toothbrush up there and I keep this has seriously helped my plaque so much. Or my floss, okay, I'm a little too lazy to go get them, but I have them over there in my bathroom in a little jar. Honestly, for my floss, I don't have a specific brand that I use. I do prefer the toothpick, or sorry, not the toothpicks, the floss that comes in those little sticks that you just kind of like easily, floss your teeth. I personally like those. I don't know that they're good for you. I like them. I buy them in a huge pack either at my local Sam's Club or sometimes I will get them from uh TJ Maxx, Ross, places like that. I don't know. If you guys know more about flossing, I'm not the best at flossing. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I forget to floss, but I don't forget to brush my teeth. So don't forget to brush your teeth. It is very important to keep your teeth healthy. Okay. Okay. So that kind of leads me to my last step in my oral hygiene routine, which is putting in my aligners. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that about 2 years ago, I went on a teeth straightening journey. I partnered up with a Bite and they sent me over their aligners. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm going to insert some before and after pictures. Like, okay, I feel like getting my teeth fixed has been one of the best decisions I have ever made in my life. And that's a little dramatic, but that's how strongly I feel, okay? Before I went on a teeth straightening journey, I would not smile in my pictures at all. if you have me on Facebook as a personal friend and you go back 2 years, it is very rare when I smiled. Anyways, like I said, I went on a liner journey and I love them. I use these still every single night, and my gap isn't fully closed. Let me show you guys. I still have a tiny, tiny little window, and I am so okay with that because I still love having like a little bit of space, but not the big space that I used to have. So if you have been thinking of going into a liner journey and or Invisalign. I couldn't afford Invisalign, so I went with Bite, and again, I got the chance to work with them. I got their products for free, and I do not regret it at all. If I could do it all over again, I would, even if I didn't work with them, because my teeth, ugh, I love them, and I smile so much more now. The confidence it gave me, I can't put a price tag on it. That is my Roomba. Trying to clean my room. Ma'am, no thank you, not right now. But yeah, you guys, I think that is everything. I am pretty happy at the moment with my oral hygiene. I think it's extremely important to not only have healthy looking teeth, but just feel confident in your smile and like hello, who doesn't want to be confident, right? So I would love to hear from you. Let me know your thoughts. What other like hygiene videos do you guys want to see? Would you be interested in seeing like an everything shower routine? Because I don't use specific steps every single day, but there are days where I take an everything shower routine, and it's pretty deep. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment. It helps so much because it tells YouTube I want to watch this girl, and it pushes my videos out, and it just genuinely helps me out. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I love you girlies so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.